In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Upwork Affiliate Program, an opportunity for freelancers and marketers to earn by referring clients and freelancers to Upwork. First, let's talk about the sign-up process. To get started, you need to create an account on the Upwork platform if you haven't already. After signing up, you can apply to become an affiliate through their dedicated affiliate portal. Once accepted, you'll get access to your unique affiliate links, which you can share across various channels, like your website, blog, or social media. When someone signs up for Upwork through your link and starts using the platform, you earn a commission. The program pays out based on actions, such as a new freelancer or client account created, or even when they make their first payment. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do check them out after you've watched the video, as I've included extra resources that can help you with affiliate marketing strategies and tools to track your earnings. Now, let's dive into the earning potential. The commissions for the Upwork affiliate program are tiered and based on the services a new user accesses. For example, freelancers or clients who use your link may lead to commissions based on their spend on the platform, like service fees or client contracts. The more successful referrals you make, the more you can earn. The payout is done via PayPal, making it easy to get paid once your earnings reach the minimum threshold. Another thing to note is Upwork's reputation in the freelancing space. It's one of the largest platforms, which means a lot of potential traffic, making it easier for you to find people who want to sign up. The program is also fairly flexible, allowing you to promote it in various ways and connect with your audience however you see fit. In terms of marketing, Upwork provides affiliates with banners, links, and other promotional materials, which makes it easier to get started. The platform also offers analytics, so you can track how your campaigns are performing and optimize your efforts accordingly. If you have a strong audience or niche related to freelancing or remote work, this can be an excellent way to monetize your content. To sum it up, the Upwork affiliate program can be a solid income stream, especially if you're already part of the freelance or remote work community. It's a relatively simple program to get into, and the earning potential can be high with the right strategies. Make sure you stay consistent with promoting your affiliate link and track your performance through their dashboard. If you found this review helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on affiliate marketing.